1845 for the 631. And so what's good morning once again, we must 631.
Good morning, 631, somewhere the morning.
Yeah, 631 approaching group this time, 1500 feet, estimated field at 16.
Ça marche, Roger, 10 New 05019, altimeter 1019, traffic Cessna 150, designated runway, and proceeding for training flight.
Copy the traffic, 1019, Cali Sugar 10 next for 631.
Roger.
05019.
And you go ahead and do your approach checklist.
Alright, those wheels standard brakes.
Next, about 3050.
Fuel selector.
Piston normal.
Altimeter.
1019.
Alright, navids.
Set already.
And briefing.
A briefing was completed.
Alright, no periods required, approach is completed.
Check. And guys, look once again, it's me here, flying with Captain Edison Hodge today.
Yeah, buddy.
Yay. Yo, he's enjoying the day with me.
Oh, it's been a while. It's been a while.
Yep.
Yeah, actually, I was looking forward to it.
So was I. Why you too? Why? I was like,
forward to
yeah,
it.
flying Edison today? Yes.
There you go. Let's see what trouble we can get into. Or not we can not get into. That's what
what type of safe trouble we could get into?
safe trouble. There we go.
Alright, turn in sight now. Turn is inhibited.
Check.
Minimum 631 position, please.
I'll be in 4-2.
631 is 1 minute away from Sugarloaf.
Ça marche, Roger. Fox Alpha, negative traffic apparent on final, traffic to letter 1 minute from Sugarloaf.
I got your taxi light on, sir.
Alright, putting on light 2 so they can see us. When we bump here again, buckle up, right? I lost weight during the little break there, so I had to tighten it up. Alright, here we go again.
Sugarloaf bound for the 631.
Window 631, Roger, let's check 06017 knots, Cessna 150 departing.
Copy for the 631. Alright, 10 selected.
Full flaps, cross max before landing lights are on.
Alright, full flaps, max RPM coming up before landing. Alright, full flaps, max RPM landing and taxi light is on and the correspondent is clear. Radar standby, cabin is secure and landing clearance now required before landing is completed.
Fist bump, wow.
Yeah, fist bump. Chop final wind check for the 631.
05018 knots.
631. Alright, 05018.
Check.
$500.
There's a truck.
400.
Fox Alpha, overhead frégate,
300.
Fox Alpha reçu, rappel
200.
appel à sortie Fox Alpha.
100. 40. 10.
Ooh, what a balloon!
Nice catch. Nice catch.
After landing, lights off.
Alright, anti-collision is off. P2 is off. Flaps are indicating coming up to 0. And transponder is standby. Van is not required. Landing lights
Off.
and time recorded.
Good.
After landing was completed.
Check.
Right side is looking good.
Check.